Hello everyone. Citroen updated the C4 and C4X crossovers with its latest styling language. The models gain a redesigned face, comfier seats, and new instrument cluster. The powertrain lineup includes mild hybrid, EV, and ICE-only options. The new C5 Aircross concept might be the highlight of the Citroen booth at the Paris Auto Show 2024, but the French brand hosted another interesting premiere. The Citroen C4 and C4X benefit from a mid-life cycle update for 2025, adopting a redesigned exterior, comfier seats, and a digital instrument cluster. The closely related models wear a redesigned face, with a slimmer and boxier arrangement for the split headlights. The chrome-infused double chevron grille is gone, replaced by Citroen's new oval emblem. Finally, the tweaked bumper is more sculpted than before, with less plastic cladding and an aluminum-style skid plate. The profile is largely carried over, with new designs for the alloy wheels. The rear end of the C4 looks a lot cleaner than before, thanks to the new LED taillights mounted below the integrated rear spoiler. On the other hand, the longer and more aerodynamic tail of the C4X remains virtually unchanged, setting aside the updated Citroen branding. This might have to do with the fact that the C4X debuted in 2022, 2 years after the C4. Interior changes are limited to new Citroen Advanced Comfort seats with thicker foam padding and a fresh 7-inch digital instrument cluster joining the carryover 10-inch infotainment touchscreen. Despite competing in the compact segment, the C4 and the C4X still ride on the CMP architecture, usually found in subcompact models from Stellantis brands. The powertrain lineup includes mild hybrid and fully electric options, with an ICE-only version available in certain markets. The mild hybrid turbocharged 1.2-liter engine produces 99 horsepower 74 kilowatts or 134 horsepower 100 kW, with another 28 horsepower 21 kilowatts from the electric motor mounted inside the 6-speed automatic gearbox. H carryover fully electric powertrains generate 134 horsepower and 155 horsepower 115 kilowatts of power transmitted to the front wheels. The 50 kilowatts per hour battery of the former offers 360 kilometers of WLTP range, while the larger 54 kilowatts per hour battery of the more potent EV is good for 425 kilometers of range depending on the body style. The facelifted Citroen C4 and C4X will reach European dealerships in early 2025. Pricing will be announced closer to their market launch. Write in the comments what you think about the new 2025 Citroen C4 and C4X. It's interesting to know your opinion. Put likes and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the latest news from the world of cars. See you soon. Goodbye, everyone.